Hey guys, Richard here. So, yeah, just in the garage for a quick second. Wanted to give you this quick video update. I got the Mokwheel Obsidian right there behind me. So last night, Emma and Devon came over, and Mrs. Adventure and we went out for another ride in the evening and had a good time. We're just out buzzing around in the neighborhood close. But Devon was riding the Mokwheel Obsidian down here. Whoop, there it is. And I tell you what, oh boy, that man loved the bike. And in fact, I'm going to share with you what he said. All right, Devin, so we just went out for a night ride with the family, and you had a chance to ride the Mokwheel Obsidian. And I see this smile on your face of like, oh. Now, Devin told me a couple times when we were out how much he really liked this. So let's go ahead and make it official and put it on video. Devin, how do you like the Obsidian?
I really like it.
Look at this one. He's like, this is.
Oh man.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
what's your favorite parts about it?
It's really well built. Like everything just.
What? behind the scenes, what's going on? Go back to Devin over here. So here's my favorite things about it. One, the suspension is really good because it just well done. I love the fact that it's an 8-speed with a torque sensor, so there's zero ghost pedaling. It's smooth. It's just you just roll. You just keep on going. Of course, big battery, so you can do some stuff there. 1,000-watt motor in the back, so you've got some extra power there if you need it.
And having 26s is obviously a little bit different than the 20 that I'm used to on the Zoda.
The Zoda Zephyr over there, white and orange, 20-inch. Yep.
But yet, the way they built the Obsidian, it just.
I know.
The 26s work very well for it.
They did a really nice job of this. They did a super nice job.
And my favorite part, minus the only downside is we're waiting on a actual brake light.
Nope, brake light's not coming. So
That's right.
They gave us a rack, or they've got a rack in production, but it's not, as far as I know, it's not going to have an integrated light. So we're still going to be stuck with that, which is the really big downfall.
Yeah, but front headlight is probably one of the best.
One of the best headlights.
As far as projection, brightness.
Yep. I mean, the field of view is just, I mean, it was huge out there tonight. So.
Overpowered everyone else in the
Yeah,
family.
it did. Yeah, it did. By far. Cool. All right, that was Devon's short review. Yes, Mrs. Adventure?
The brake lock is still working just fine.
It is working just fine. There's a close-up shot of the brake lock. There you guys go. All right, that's it. Now, I tell you what, that guy was sure excited after riding this thing. He just down the street, he just said, wow, Dad, this is great. And he rode it the rest of the evening as we buzzed around and just absolutely loved it. Got back here and said, hey, Dad, I think I'd like to trade up. Oh, boy. So Devon's already put his name on the Mokwheel Obsidian right here, and he wants to trade the Christmas boxes. We got shipping boxes here. Hello. Toby. Toby. No. Toby. Toby. Get his attention. Yeah, so he rides the Zoda Zephyr, the orange and white one back there, and he's like, yeah, I think I'm ready for an update. So we'll see. I'm going to be riding this for a little while because I love this bike too. But here's the thing. I'll be honest with you. It's not my permanent bike, long-term permanent bike. And here's why. It's not the step through. It's almost like a mid-step, and that makes it pretty good. But for me, I already have hip trouble. I had surgery on one side and not the other. And, just swinging my leg over is just a little more difficult. And I just want the convenience of a step through. So I'm gonna hold out for something like that. But I will be riding this for a while. Mind you, because it's an awesome bike and I want to be able to enjoy it. And so at some point here in the near future, I'll get something else that I'll ride for a while, and Devon will inherit this one right here. So I just wanted to give you that quick update. Yeah, well, I got some things to do here in the garage, so I'm gonna cut this video short and get busy because I got a new seat post to put on the seat for Mrs. Adventure over there, and I think she and I are gonna go for a ride again here in just a little bit, and I need to break down some of these Ooh, look at all those Amazon boxes. I need to break down some Amazon boxes and just do a few other things because our family celebrates Christmas on Christmas Eve this year because of work schedules and that sort of thing. So, yeah, I need to do something about that, right? But, so yeah, so lots to do still. So, hey, I got to get going.